All right, so here's a quick update on the Corbin seat. I finally got to take it out for a ride, and boy, do I love it. This seat is so comfortable. It's unbelievable how much more comfortable this seat is than the stock seat and even my low seat gel seat. It is taller, but actually that's really nice because the riding position is totally different with this seat. Yeah, your knees aren't as bent, you're sitting up, you know, more upright. I just like it so much for highway. For enduro and, you know, off-road and stuff like that, I would go with the low seat just because, you know, you don't need this type of seat for that. And plus I want the lower profile seat. I can easily plant one foot on the ground and stabilize with the other foot on the foot peg. So my go-to is left foot down, right foot on the brake, at stop signs and so on and so on. It's tippy toes with both feet down, but it's enough. Ball of feet, it's not tippy toes, we'll call ball of feet. But I totally love it. I can't believe that I haven't gotten this a long time ago. So really rides really nice, and it's just super comfortable. I went on a 2-hour ride today, and it was just like sitting on the most comfortable sofa, lounge chair, or whatever. Nothing compared to the how rough the stock seat and even my gel seat. My gel seat's pretty good, but this 10 times better. So big thumbs up on this. So I just wanted to give an update because I didn't get to ride it or tell you about it, but I'm going to say it's well worth it, and it is really a nice seat. I'm looking forward to doing some long touring with it, and I'll give you some feedback from all-day riding kind of stuff, multiple days. So that's it. Later.